Hey there guys, what's happening and welcome back to our channel. It's no debate that there are several incredible firearms out there in the market, but what if I told you that you don't have to own a Glock if you don't want to? Yep, that is indeed possible. While there may be a lot of pressure from Glock lovers regarding how everyone should own a Glock, I can tell you for free that you can have a good collection of handguns without even owning a Glock, even the Glock 19 itself. Hang on for some time because I'm going to show you 5 incredible pistols that are a better choice than a Glock. If you place any of these pistols side by side with a Glock, you're sure to find one thing they do better. We may add one more pistol as a bonus, so stick around to find out what we have in store for you. Feel free to try out any one of these. If you're looking for a casual pistol, something to carry around just in case, then you may opt for a Glock. But if you want something serious to hang your safety on, then an STI 2011 is a good choice. Any model from the various 2011 pistols from STI is more likely to give you a crisper trigger and faster shots. Comparing an STI 2011 like the Staccato P or the Tactical DS is like comparing a jet to a rocket. Both are built for speed, but they perform almost differently and are successful for different purposes. That's kind of like how it is for STI 2011s and the Glocks. There are various models of the STI 2011 and they chamber various rounds like 9mm, 40 S&W, and even 10mm. However, one thing they have in common is an accuracy that's unrivaled by any Glock pistol. The STI Tactical DS 2011, for example, is chambered in 10mm, and you know that implies more penetrating power. It weighs a little more than a Glock, and its weight has proven to be advantageous for shooters. STI 2011s are great weapons for self-defense, home defense, and even competition shooting. They guarantee perfect shots and unrivaled performance. STI's Combat Master and TTI Pit Viper are featured in chapters 3 and 4 of the John Wick movie franchise, and if you've seen John Wick wield either of these pistols, I'm sure you guys admired how dexterous he was with the thing. An STI 2011 will outshine a Glock anytime, any day. Glocks are reliable, no doubt. However, the CZ-P10C has proven to be more reliable than even the Glock 19. You'll find that the P10C has similar specs to the Glocks in this category, yet the pistol has managed to keep its head higher by demonstrating distinct features like incomparable accuracy, offering more advantages than a regular Glock. The CZ-P10C is an indispensable concealed carry weapon that balances well between a compact size and a reliable performance. A sincere Glock enthusiast wouldn't be able to deny the fact that the P10C has a better ergonomic design and superior trigger over a Glock, and that's one thing that sets the pistol apart from the rest. In combat, the P10C demonstrates impressive shootability. Its shoots are precision-oriented and consistent. It features a 4.02-inch cold hammer forged barrel and a capacity of 15 rounds comes standard. For anyone who seeks a self-defense handgun that looks just as great as it performs, you'll find the CZ-P10C a very reliable option. The RMR Co-Witness Night Sight is to love, providing visibility in low lighting conditions. If you ever find yourself wondering what a CZ performs like over a Glock, feel free to pick this one up and try it out against a Glock of your choice. Talking about another pistol with supreme ergonomics over a Glock, the Canik TP9 SFX comes to mind. Commendable for how reliable and comfortable it is to shoot, the TP9 SFX continues to win the hearts of many shooters who get introduced to it. It's the kind of work for as long as you need it, demonstrating great durability. The TP9 SFX is a concealed carry gun that will definitely take your defense game to a whole different level. It features a comfortable polymer grip that makes the gun super easy to manipulate. Its lightweight makes everyday carry less disturbing. If you want something that looks more modern and classy, yet doesn't sacrifice firepower, the TP9 SFX would be a good option to consider. It has that crisp trigger that leaves Glocks in the dust, and its shots are super reliable. Although it's chambered in the same round as Glock pistols, the Canik TP9 SFX has proven to be more powerful. Whether you're in need of an EDC pistol or you require a dependable home defense option, you'll find the TP9 SFX very handy in most defense situations. This pistol looks and feels way better than a Glock. For newbies looking to learn the ropes around shooting, what they need is a handgun that's easy to shoot, and the Shield EZ typically represents that. It's called easy for a reason. For those with weaker hands or conditions that make it really difficult to have a good hold on the pistol, especially one with significant recoil, the M&P Shield EZ is a remarkable weapon. Its slide is easy to rack, the recoil is minimal, and it's generally a lightweight gun, making shooting it easy and enjoyable. Unlike Glocks though, the EZ features a grip safety and manual thumb safety, which puts its users on a safer side, preventing accidental discharge that could easily occur if one was using a Glock without being familiar with how its safe action system works. Where the Shield EZ is not the king of magazine capacity, it makes up for that by being extremely reliable and efficient in its operations. After all, what we all want is a handgun that never fails to deliver a shot when you call on it, which highlights the flawless performance of the Smith & Wesson M&P 9 Shield EZ. It's an effective defense pistol that makes for a pleasurable shooting experience. While Glocks are modular, they don't come standard with some modification, and so you have to rely on aftermarket options to get your handgun suited to your performance. The HK VP9, however, comes standard with a handful of modifications right out of the box. Consider it a military-grade pistol that can withstand even the toughest of situations and still operate impressively. The serrations on the slide make for easy cocking, and it's a good blend of metal and polymer parts. A standout feature of the VP9 is its versatility, and not only is it a versatile piece of handgun, it's also durable, made to last long enough until you decide you need a new one. It's not the kind to ditch you in the middle of a gunfight. It stays loyal to the end. The VP9's trigger is smooth, the pull is short, and the result is always accurate shots. You get to choose the perfect strap that fits your hand size right out of the box, saving you the stress of going in search of aftermarket support. With a 17-round magazine capacity, the HK VP9 stands shoulder to shoulder against many Glock models and outshines them in many situations. In terms of comfort, shootability, durability, and accuracy, this handgun will beat a Glock, and I'm not even kidding. One more pistol before we go. Check out the Shadow System MR920. Commendable for its smoother and better trigger pull, if you desire a more precise-oriented pistol over a Glock, you'd be doing your collection a huge favor by adding the MR920 to it. I mean, nothing stands up to a super lightweight pistol that offers just the same specs as its rivals, yet exhibits better performance. You can think of the Shadow System's MR920 as an upgrade to the Glock 19. Everything you don't get in a Glock, you'll find readily available in this pistol, making it a better choice than a Glock. Well, and with that, we end our review of the top 5 pistols that are better choices than a Glock. So, what do you guys think? Do you think any of these pistols are more appealing than a Glock? Or maybe you've tried a direct comparison? Please share your observations with us or drop a comment or two below. That said, we warmly invite you to be a part of this channel if you're not already subscribed to it. We share lots of interesting gun reviews just like this one, so do hit that like button and make yourself at home on our channel. If you don't want to miss any more updates, do turn on notifications for all of our videos and you'll be the first to know when we share new updates. Thanks a lot for sticking around. Catch you in the next one, and bye for now.